So guys, today I want to show you the bow thruster for my Defender 22 boat. Therefore we have the wonderful Radiomaster boxer here. And I have also a dummy ESC, like the Fly Color 150 amps, the Radiomaster R88 receiver, a servo just for testing if everything's connected right, the bow thruster itself, that's a hull dummy, and here you have the bow thruster insert, which is simply a unit that is screwed into the hull. So that structure will be in the big hull part, and you just take these gray parts here, including the motor. It's a 1306 drone motor, brushless motor, and you can assemble everything gray here as one unit. I have connected that JR cable or whatever it's called, and you can put that whole unit into your hull. The seals for that unit are coming with it itself, and it's watertight, and I hope it's a good solution. We'll test it when the boat's ready. So, and now I want to show you how I connect everything. So we have, like I said, the transmitter, receiver, ESC, a test servo, and this is our bow thruster cable. And when everything is in the boat, you will have like something like this front seat group, which is located somewhere here in the boat. Can you see it? Yes. And there is a little hole where you can put the cable from the motor in or through this lid. And for that reason, this one is attached via magnets to that big part here. And here you have a watertight, how to call it, a watertight box, where you can put your battery and your ESC. Oh, that screw fell in. Oh, don't care. The ESC for the bow thruster and the battery for the ESC, and then this cable, that's one JR cable without the red one, that will go into the receiver. So just like put it into channel 5, don't mix the cables. So channel 5, and this one will go into the bow thruster like this. And if, for example, the motor is turning in the wrong direction, you can just switch the cables. So two are converted and the brushless motor will turn into the other direction. So we can put this in here. Yeah, and now we need to fire it up. So the battery is connected to the big ESC, for example, for your outboard. And the ESC for the bow thruster is not getting voltage, or is not connected for current to the receiver. I hope you get what I say. You know, my English is not the finest, but I think we know what we are talking about. So that's why I disconnect the red cable here. And now we can just plug in the big battery. And are connected. So this is our steering servo. So that should work. Yes, it works. So if there would be a motor connected to the outboard, it would also run. And now for the bow thruster, I did connect this button to the bow thruster itself. So when it's not when you don't put the button, press the button, then the bow thruster is not working, and the device where you where you control the bow thruster is this one. So when you turn it like left, then the boat will go left, and when you turn it right, the boat will go right. So that's how I do it. Therefore, I did use a T-Motor 4D ESC. So that's a ESC which can also reverse the channel or the motor. So you can run it clockwise when going left and counterclockwise when going right. And yes, so we press this button, and when we do this like this, the bow thruster is running. So in 0 position, I have to check the camera angle. So okay, so SE is pressed. This is in 0 position, and now we turn it left. And there's some wind coming, and now we do it right. And there's no wind coming, so it's the other direction. And that's how we control this unit. What I really like is the fact that this unit is really like plug and play, so you can complete it as a whole unit outside the boat and simply put it in the boat, and it will work just fine. It will be watertight. That's very important because we don't want to have water in the boat. And as one unit, you can also mount the motor before. Have a look from the other side. I always have to check the camera angle if you see everything. So inside there's the little drone motor, and it turns the one way and the other. Wind is coming and no wind. So yes. Well, that's this whole setup. I kind of like that it's really a closed one and you don't see it, you know, everything is like this here. So I unplug this one. So it's like this. Here's the little lid. So we put it in here again, just like that, so that everything is waterproof. And finally we put on the big one, the cushion with magnets. Nothing is falling off. I will take some tape to secure the battery, but it will not come loose, and it is a nice place and waterproof and everything. Well, guys, that's how the bow thruster will work. Hope you like it.